Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Destined Tarot. Today we are going to read our general reading for 2021 love, emotion, family life, relationship reading. So today we have two piles. This is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. So take with how it resonates. And secondly, this is a timeless reading, so whenever you stumble upon it, may be meant for you. This message will hold good for you. And for pile number one, I have taken this orange color stone. You can choose by stone color, you can choose by the card. I have taken for this card for this pile. So if you're drawn to this card, or if you're drawn to this message that is written, open the lines of communication with this, so you can choose this one. Also, if you are drawn to the tarot card, these are the tarot card, I forgot the name, sorry. If you are drawn to this card, also you can choose this one. For both the piles, for your oracle message, I have taken the life navigator oracle deck. For pile number two, I have taken this green color stone. Okay, and your card is determination is strength. If you're drawn to this card, you can choose this one, or you can simply choose by pile 1 or pile 2, or the number written on the cards. Or if you are chosen if you're drawn to this tarot, I also forgot this tarot deck's name also, sorry. You can choose the pile. Okay, so take your time, choose your pile, and within few seconds we will start the reading. Okay, take deep breath and let's start. If you have chosen pile number one, this will be your reading. So let's see your tarot card first, and later we will see the your oracle messages. So first tarot card is your Ten of Pentacles. Second is your Page of Swords, the Chariot in reverse. Next card is your Queen of Swords. Next, the Temperance card, and the Ace of Pentacles. Great cards. Okay. So pile number one. Very well start of the reading. Ten of Pentacles, I must say. A completion of the cycle. This is the summary of 2021, guys. This Ten of Pentacle is your summary of 2021. Okay, so which indicate towards completion of one cycle. There will be a sense of stable home environment, because we are doing a reading for your emotional health and your family life, your relationship card. So this is the best card to get, I can say. This is one of the best cards to get, I can say. So there will be a sense of stable home environment and the long-term relationship. This one card promises that everything will eventually come together and you will be proud of everything you have achieved. Okay, so now let's see what happened in 2020 overall. What was the energy for your 2020? So it will make more sense towards the 2021. Okay, so in 2020, I think some of you were feeling like the time was testing you, your fate was testing you. Some parts of your life needed to be put together, but you were not able to do so. Your life was somewhere stressful. Okay, but now in 2021 you are coming into a balance. Try to blend in your relationship and try to blend your qualities in your with your partner's qualities, sorry. And try to find the balance between you and your partner. Okay, so then it will make sense. Sometimes it is better to complement each other than rather than fixing the unsimilarities. Sometimes we always want to we want our partner to see our point of view and the way we think, but sometimes it is also good to see what is their strength and how it will complement us, and how our qualities will complement them, and together you can feel whole. Together you can feel you can find the perfect balance for the harmony. Okay, Learn to see the long term perspective in your relationship. That is very much required, because your vision will establish your presence, actions, words, thinking. So long term, always think for long term. You will burst with new ideas and new energy. With a page of sword card, I can see new ideas will be flowing into you. New opportunities will come to you. And if you're already in a relationship long enough, you are going to get married too. So there is a chance of marriage also, you can get it. Okay, so you can get it means you can go for the marriage if you want. Okay, since there are a lot of new beginning cards, so I can assure there will be definitely a freshness in your existing relationship. If you are single, new love life will definitely is there. You will attract new person toward you. And if you are looking for any type of reconciliation, it will also be there. So if you are a single person, so the person who will come towards you, or the person who will get attracted by you, maybe he will be very young, or there will be some age gap between you guys, and you can feel nature in them. So in your relationship, one of the person is very mature enough, and one of the best person is a childlike nature. And or you can, in it may also happen that there is some age gap. Okay, whatever is going on, was going on in your relationship, that old cycle, that old things will be completed. Okay, and the new one will definitely start, as I have already mentioned. Since we got the communication cards also, so I see you will get confirmation from the desired person, if you are waiting for that one, or if you are waiting for your family's approval, you are going to get it for your relationship. They will give a thumbs up to you. Also, the communication in your relationship will improve. For some of you, if there was a lack of communication, and it will be improved. Do the clear communication, it is also advised to. If you were not doing that in from your part, you are advised to do the proper communication with your partner. Because sometimes what happens, lot of things, problems happen just because of the stupid misunderstanding, and by not clearing these, we simply remain sad, and most importantly, we lose the precious time, the time where we could have created most beautiful memories together, isn't it? And with the chariot, reverse chariot card also, um, I see, in maybe some of you were feeling stuck in your relationship. You could not find your relationship going somewhere, in a fruitful direction, or any positive direction. um, I think that will be removed, in the coming 2021. Some of sorry guys, in some of the relationship, I think there is a no communication. Some of you are not talking currently, or were not talking in the past days or past year, or this current 2020. So there will be a new start of communication. So either you have to start your communication, or you can get your communication if you are waiting. If there is a separation or not, no connection situation is there, there is a chance that it will be removed. So in that perspective, you are good to go, guys. There will be understanding, the level of understanding will be a bit higher, like one level up. The understanding will improved, uh, to the next level. Two cards of communication. The sword card always says the communication, so we got two sword card here. So you will be able to connect to people on more of the intellectual level. So the sustainability of the communication will be there. If there was any type of misunderstanding, now you can get the clarity on that also. Or if you are the person who was the reason of that misunderstanding, you can explain yourself through proper communication to your partner, so that your misunderstanding will be removed, and you will achieve higher perspective in your relationship. And you are advised to see the truth. okay, and say the truth also, because sometimes people say a lot of things, but some of them are correct or some of them are not correct on those topics. So filter out and accept the truth. And if you are the person saying the saying things to your partner, please say the truth. Do not destroy the truth, because truth is the basis of all relationship. It is the foundation. You cannot have a proper relationship without a good foundation. So always say the truth, even though it hurts, even though it takes it should be, it will be taken with a pinch of salt. But but I will always advise to say the truth, because in the long run it will always help you. I think for some of you, there were in the past some people were there who have taken your advantages because of your um, innocence, I can say, or because of your straightforwardness. Okay, so now you can keep one clear boundary, so that your boundaries will be respected by others. When you start respecting yourself, people will also see the self see your worth, and they will start respecting you also, because you are a straightforward person. When people seek when people will get to see the real side of you, they will simply fall in love with you. And in your family life, or and other relationship also, people can see your true side and the real side. And your family life will be very happiest and joyous. There will be harmony. And with the because with the and with the ace of pentacle cards, when I get the pentacle cards, it says me for the new beginning. And first we got the 10 of pentacles, and last we got the ace of pentacles. So it is clearly says completion of something and beginning of something. Okay, so this is a very good message, and this is a very clear and good reading. This is a very good year, I can say, for your pile one. Very nice year is coming, so you should make the most out of it. And because even though I am doing a love reading, and I have got two pentacles, so I am drawn to say that if you were waiting for some financial abundance, and if there was any hurdles of financial problems because of which your relationship was suffering, that thing will be recovered in 2021. There will be financial abundance, you will get some opportunity through which you can make money, and your financial problems will be eradicated, and eventually you will have a good life. If money part is an issue, was an issue in your relationship, or it is the problem in your relationship now also, that is going to be removed. Don't worry on that perspective also. So what else? Yes, that's it by my pile number one. I think there is a lot of scope for marriage. If you are planning for a family, it is also on the cards. You can go for a baby, and if you are waiting to get approval from your family or from your partner to get married, that is on the cards. It is overall a very very good reading. There is no sign of negativity. What was the negativity is going. What was there, the problematic part will eventually will be solved in the coming days. So I think this is a great reading, pile number one. Please do let me know whether it has resonated with you or not, and do let me know what more reading I can do in the future. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a very very lovely and prosperous 2021. Thank you so much. Oops, I forgot your oracle message. What is the advice for your 2021, guys? Set yourself free. Wow, the confirmation from for what I have said. With the 10 of pentacle cards, you were supposed to complete one cycle. So release your negativity, release your old thought patterns and old habits and negative beliefs. All they do is clip your wings and keep you caged. You were born to fly. So basically, leave your old in the behind. Let's keep everything in 2020 and move with a very positivity, with the um next 2021. And the second advice, pearls of gratitude. Yes, whatever is there with you, feel gratitude for that. It is easy to feel thankful when the seas of life are calm, but storms have uses too. They clear the air and often bring the treasures from the deep. Look for the pearls beneath the storm. Okay, so whatever was the problems in your 2020, it was there for your growth. It was there for some purpose. The purpose to make you get clarity on your life. The purpose was to get clarity on your, on what you want, and whatever the to find out what was the what would you say, the shortcomings in you or in your partner. And you have to clear all those things, and you should move to 2021 with a very very high perspective and positivity, leaving old and past things behind, taking the good memories and taking the lessons in the future. And your prosperous 2021 is assured. Be assured that you are going to enter a fruitful and happy life. Goodbye. So, pile number 2, if you have chosen this one, let's start your reading. What you have got, we will see your oracle messages, advice card in the last. Let's see what is there in your in your tarot card. The first card is Page of Pentacles, great card to start. Next is your Eight of Pentacles. It is also a good card with some advice. The Page of Cups in reverse. Okay, got it. The Queen of Swords. Seven of Swords. The Fool card. Okay, so pile number 2. I see a lot of betrayals, guys. I see a lot of pain here. What was there in 2020? You were in the energy, or you are still suffering with the energy. Okay, the Seven of Sword cards normally says, normally people think we can do things and we can get away with it. Nobody will watch, nobody will see, and the front person will eventually forgive us for whatever we have done. But no, you have to serve what you have done. Okay, so whoever done wrong, either you or your partner, the karma will definitely uh, come to you. Okay, so good karma or bad karma will eventually come to you. So pile number 2, what I will do in this reading, I will tell everything that I'm seeing. So some of the part will be resonated with your pile number with your partner, and some of the things will be resonated with yourself. So you have to decide which part is resonating with you and which part is resonating with your person. Okay, so let's start your reading. So let's first of all see what was your energy, or what was you were going through in the 2020 overall, or maybe in the current life, what is going on. Okay, so I think many of you found some betrayal in your past, guys. Fraud happened to you, deception happened to you, or you have done that. Okay, so I am seeing betrayal here. Who have done, you have to decide, you or your partner, you get to decide that. Okay, so I see deception here, and someone is thinking whatever I have done, I will get away with it, and I will not face the consequences. No, it is not going to be like that. So in the past, someone was acting strange. Some There was a lack of communication, even though the other half was running behind the first person to know what happened, what is going on in the mind. Every hard work was like no use. There was no use. There was lies, there was cheating in the relationship. And I'm not saying cheating with only the other person. And cheating can be of, suppose someone is willingly telling you lies and hiding something, it is also one kind of cheating only. So there was such cheating also there. And whatever I see, some one of the people, one of the person between two people is hiding something, or was hiding something, which was a hurdle for the relationship, which was the cause of tension in the relationship. The truth were also very fabricated. So yes, lies, one form of lies. And if, to telling the half lie and half truth, and manipulating the front person, it was there. I'm seeing that kind of energy here. In some cases there was some hesitance in expressing the feeling also. It Okay, so for some of them, some of you, it also may happen that few of you were very scared of telling your feelings to the other person. So the cards are saying, if you were waiting for the correct time, it is the correct time. Okay, coming 2021 is the correct time. You can tell it to them, whatever your feelings is, whatever you want to ask, you can ask, whatever you want to say, you can say. Okay, I can see a lot of self doubt also in your relationship, in your minds, when it comes to the relationship, whether this is good for you or not, whether you should continue this or not, whether these things in your relationship will get a better or not. Lot of questions are there, guys. Maybe someone acts very immature in this relationship also. Very see, there is a difference between childlike and childish. So I see a person who is very childish here. Okay, not childlike, very childish, very careless, very ruthless, and not thinking about the long picture, larger picture. Okay, and one of you are working very hard, and the other is not working, not reciprocating that energy. I'm also seeing that energy in the past, or it is continuing right now till now also, maybe. But in 2021 your problems can be come to end, because we there will be new ideas, new start, a truthful beginning can happen. You can be also excited with the new possibilities, because there are not only one, not only two, we have got three cards of new beginning. Okay, so there is a presence, the presence of queen energy is your card to say you that okay, you can get excited about future, because your excitement will be fruitful. Okay, so that's a good energy. And but you are also required to set your boundaries, so that no one can take advantage of your innocence. This queen of swords and card I also got for pile number 1. I don't know why, but for some of you, I am getting some information that some of the you are trying to leave in whatever circumstances you are, and you want to move on to your future. Okay, so in 2021 you can get a clarity. What should you do? Whether you should stay or whether you should move on, you can get that clarity, because I think someone here is a clear communicator, and no drama, no lies, no cheating, very straightforward, very giving, very energetic, very motherly nature, very independent. And the other is completely opposite of the person. So okay, you get to decide who is that person. Sorry. The other person's energy I'm getting like the say random things, half truth, half lie, not communicating things properly, not saying what is their plans, like that. And maybe this is also the reason of the fraction between you guys in the past, because someone of you, either of you, have worked so hard and have not got what they deserve. That's why they are very frustrated in their life, and they're not happy wherever they are right now. Okay, so you are maybe your partner. Okay, so okay, so even though it is a love reading and I got this 8 of Pentacles card, I want to say that if you are working to achieve some financial goals here, try harder, because it seems you are not giving your full potential. You have the potential, but you are not giving. You have to give it, and you have to hone new skills. You have to enhance your skills, get new skills to get whatever you are desire, and to fulfill your financial requirement. If the financial problem is the main problem of a relationship, and you want to fulfill your financial problem, you have to work harder, and you can get it. And all the cards I have covered with only with the except the zero or the full card. So if I see the full card, I'm getting all the good vibes, all the good energy. And the first card was your Page of Pentacles, and the last card is your zero, the Fool card. So which again eventually says the new beginning, new opportunity. Okay, so don't don't I know the past was very black, very dark for you, very disturbing for you, and right now you don't know whether to move forward or not, and you're very in a state of very confusing state and sad state and something like that. But your Fool card is saying, do not worry, jump into the new beginning. Okay, and come embrace the life the way it is. So new opportunity and potential both in the both is signified by the Fool card. Okay, you may be very excited, also very nervous at the same time, um, because you are entering into a completely unknown path. So it may be little bit nervous. You are getting nervous for that, but don't worry, it is obvious, and don't worry, it will go. Even though you don't know exactly where are you or where are you going, you are advised to follow your heart. Whatever your heart is saying, you can do that. Okay, so no matter how crazy is the leap of faith is, the cards are saying to take the leap of faith. Okay, try things and let's see where the universe is taking you. And it may happens also that you can enter into a very good phase. You never know, life can give some beautiful surprises when you least expect when you least expect them. Okay, so feel encouraged and curious. Definitely the excitement will be there, don't worry. You can enter into the into 2021 with a new hope, new potential, new opportunity, with a very positive mindset. And if you are a person who thinks, let's everything fall into places, then I will start living, or then I will do anything, no, this is not the way to live. The cards are also saying, this is the time is right now, the time is now is the key sentence for you. Whatever you want to do it now. Whatever you want to achieve, work work for that right now, and jump into the situation, explore it, take a chance is the next keyword. So if you are asking me the question whether I should go and propose that girl or boy, the answer is yes. If you are in a relationship and you want to get married, whether you should go for a marriage or not, the answer is yes. If you are planning a baby, if you should go for it or not, the answer is yes. If you are waiting for a reconciliation, you want the person to come to you, so you should say yes or not, you should say yes. If you want to move on in your life, and you are clear in your mind that you don't want the existing person and you are going to get a new person in your life, then also the answer is yes. If you are clear in your mind and you definitely want to move on, the answer is yes. But also one if you want one chance for you, the answer is yes. If you want to give another chance to your partner, the answer is yes. In this card, guys, I have got some like very immature energy, and there is no card of like only Queen of Sword is the energy which is indicating towards family. Okay, so maybe first in the first phase you should try and wait for some time, and see where the relationship is going. For some of you, not for many, not for all of you, I'm saying this. Stay in the energy, explore the relationship, give a chance, take a chance, and if it is going good for you, go forward. Okay, so let's see what is your advice card from Oracle. The sweetness of life. Life's sweetness is contained within each passing moment. So be present to the beauty of life freely offers. Get into the habit of appreciation. You will soon notice the difference it makes. Very good card to summarize this reading, because anyway the card is saying jump into the reality, stay in the present, take the life as it comes to you. Be prepared what universe is given to you. That is what the oracle card is also saying. Be present in the moment, and let's see what is coming to your life. Okay, the next card is where love goes, life flows. Where we are all part of the one heart. You are loved, pass it on. So yes, very nice message. So once you will start take the new leap of faith, you can get you are already loved. So this is the confirmation for you guys, you are already loved. Just take the leap of faith, you will get it, and when you get it, pass it on. Okay, so take a chance. What I was saying, take a chance, give a chance. This is your card. Okay, so not a very bad reading. It is a very positive and what would I say, a reading of possibilities. It was a reading of many possibilities, I can say. Three new possibilities cards. So this was a reading for you, pile number 2. Do let me know whether it has resonated with you or not, and I wish you a very happy, prosperous and healthy happy new year 2021. Thank you so much. See you in the next reading.